How to add back to top button in your Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add back to top button in your Wix Studio website. It's going to be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose your website. You can click on it. After that, you will be in that website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it and then you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. Now we're gonna go to the bottom. So this is my bottom. Now we're gonna add the back to top button in this one, in this area. So first you can go to add layer here, add elements, sorry. Then you can go to buttons and then you can choose whatever button you want. So let's say I want to choose this one. You can drag and drop this one maybe. So we're gonna change the icon. So we're gonna find the up uh, illustration. So we're gonna right click and then select a layer and then click go. After that, we can go to settings and then as you can see there is option to replace icon. You can click on it. Now we're gonna search up and as you can see there are a lot of option here. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one. You can click on it, then add to page, and this is the button, as you can see. Now we're gonna make it link to the top of our website. We're gonna right click and then select a layer and then choose the go. After that, you can go to settings and then links to, you can choose a link, click on it, then click top and bottom of the page and choose the up button and then click done. Now we're gonna preview it. Let's see if it works. So let's click it and it back to top. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.